Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Revolution slider load faster. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, go to Slider Revolution and then click on Globals, and inside of this page loading optimization, make sure to turn on this option, and module optimization section, force viewport landing, make sure to turn on this, and default lazy loading in modules, click here and select smart, and then click on save global settings. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.